So something exciting is happening here today. This is going to change. My cousin Jody is going to bring some color into the kitchen for me. We're doing a kitchen redo. I'll keep you updated. And he's going to bring some color into this world. I want to do a design that's fresh market. I've got some pretty cool things, some little, those wall stickers that you put up, one that says Bon Appetit, and some that actually say fresh market. So I'm excited. Absolutely, big changes are happening here. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it did. Sorry, ready to get birds. It says it's all dry, so I don't know, maybe in a couple days I'll stop here and hang everything back up.
That's after 2 coats. Wow. I wanted something that reminded me of like basil leaves or anything from the garden, green bean green. So that's it so far.